Hello everyone. Well, we are into 2025. I just want to go ahead and give you a quick update. I'm working on a section back here in the main yard on the lower section. Finally got the ash pit installed. So that was what I was working on earlier this week. And at this point I have the part painted and weathered up. I've got some ashes put in. Now, unfortunately, these are not coal ash, but they are at least real ashes from our fireplace that I sifted and then put into place and glued down. So now the engines have a place to be able to go ahead and dump their ashes. The space between the sanding pit and the line over here is wide enough that I'll be able to get a front end loader through to be able to collect up ashes. Front end loader is going to be way too big to go down into this ash pit, so the ashes will have to get manually removed. So I'll eventually put in some figures that are collecting up the ash, putting it into wheelbarrows, and then eventually being able to put it up into the front end loader for removal. And that's, of course, going to mean I'm going to need to add in some road area here, dirt road area that will then move off back behind the engine shed and disappear. So that is in future. But for now, we can at least have our engines come in and approach the turntable. Be able to stop over the ash pit, drop off their ashes, and proceed on their way out onto the turntable. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that you will come back again as I continue to get this layout further along. Have yourselves a good day.